Hey, in this video, I will show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube videos. It's actually a very simple tutorial and I'll show you how to do this as a creator who is uploading videos or just as someone who's viewing YouTube videos. Let's start with someone that's viewing videos, but first hit the like button and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. So the first thing you want to do is when you see the auto dub on a video, you want to click the couch settings icon right here. You want to click on audio track and you want to click on English, US, or whatever the original language is, which should be the top one, can be Spanish, French, or whatever. If you want to change it as a creator, you want to go ahead and click on your email, click on studio right here. This will open up, or type in studio.youtube.com. Click on settings at the bottom left corner, go to upload defaults, click on advanced settings, scroll down and remove allow automatic dubbing. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, give me a like. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you next one.